What am I doing? I'm breaking in. I guess that's picked. Oh, it's almost there. There we go. Alright, so we go 2, 2, 1, 1, 1. Still 2. It's 2, 1, 1, 1. 5. Wait, I'm all confused. 3. 2, 1, 1, 3. And then was 5. And then where are we at? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Round 7. 7 is down. Gosh dang. Okay, so 2, 1, 2. 2, 1, 2. 5 is a 1. 6 is a 3. 5 is a 1. 6 is a 3. 7 is a 5. 5, 4. That really feels like triple 5s. Yeah, it's not though. That one's definitely a 5. Let's say this one's a 4. What if this is a 4? Okay. So what's 10? 10's a 2. Okay. What if this is a 5? Okay, so this has to be a 4. Alright, let's see.